So along those lines, can you maybe think of a specific example of a customer that we've helped sometime recently that had some kind of real specific problem where we came up with maybe a creative solution or?
Sure. So I can think of a customer recently who had an issue with inventory syncing. And why that was an issue is that they have seasonal products, and sometimes they're running promotions, sometimes it's a holiday, and they have some products that are more popular during those particular holidays.
Right.
And so during that time, their stock counts weren't being sent accurately from their warehouse for them to know actually in their online store how much of a particular product is available for a customer to buy. The reason for that was really because of their own workflow needs. So they hold orders at their website for 15 minutes before they come to Orderdesk, which is giving their customers time to fix things if they made a mistake in the shipping address or they ordered the wrong quantity. And then when the order comes to Orderdesk, we hold it for another hour and 5 minutes or so, giving more time for them to decide if they want to actually cancel that order or keep it. So we're talking about an hour and 20 minutes between the customer initially placing the order and it actually being sent to the warehouse for them to package and fulfill it.
And that's the workflow that they decided on.
Exactly. Yeah.
So they wanted that extra hour.
Right. Yeah.
But then it ends up creating this problem because now you have this inventory that this whole hour where you have invalid inventory counts being sent. Well, that's kind of problematic.
Yeah. Like normally that wouldn't really be a thing because they could anticipate an overstock for those SKUs or those products. But in a time of promotion or high order volume during a holiday, that's not really something they can anticipate as well. So the solution that we came up with was to add what we call skip pull to those products in their inventory, which stops us from taking any stock counts in from the warehouse during that time. So we're using Orderdesk and their website as the source of truth for how much stock is actually available for those specific products. Once the promotion is over, then we can remove that and they can go back to pulling counts in from the warehouse. It's not really a problem then. But just during those high volume periods, we can use the website and our app as their source of truth. And it's really simple. They just upload a spreadsheet to add some metadata to those products, and when they're done, they remove them.
So this is an example of Orderdesk being a system where it's completely automated, but also flexible enough for them to have the flexibility that they need in that case to not have their products as synchronized as it normally would.
Right, exactly. And in that time, we're saving them the stress of overselling and frustrating the customer and frustrating the people in the warehouse that are packaging those orders. So everyone's kind of on the same page about what the truth is about what's available.
And it seems that this is a feature that's available, but really useful for support to be able to really understand, for the support team to understand the issue, fully understand the customer's issue, and then make the recommendation. Here's how to solve that problem.
Right.
Yeah.
And now they have that in their toolbox. So if it comes up again, they can solve it for themselves.
Yep. Love that.